steps are ordered into gain. No more delay, no more pain. Today, I command wealth to appear. Today, my financial fortune is here. Today, my heavens open wide. Blessings flow to me from every side. Everything I touch is blessed. I decree this is my season, my turn, my victory. Today is loaded with miracles for me. I see wealth and wealth sees me.